Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to use the iPhone 16 camera control to zoom in and zoom out. So if you just recently bought the iPhone 16 Pro, the Pro Max, and you want to use this camera control, which is located here on the right hand side of the phone, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your camera app. Now here, placing your index finger on the camera control, do a light tap. And now this will basically take you into the zoom control. Now to zoom in, go ahead and swipe up. This will zoom in. And to zoom out, go ahead and swipe down. This will zoom out. On the right here, you'll see how much you can zoom in. So as you can see, the maximum you can zoom in is 25x. And the maximum you can zoom out is 0.5. Now once you're happy with the picture, go ahead and tap on it. And this will take the picture for you. And there you go. That is how to use the iPhone 16 camera control to zoom in and zoom out on your photos. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.